We are two of the media drama team.
I'm Ash.
And I'm Rach.
Woo! And the two people you're seeing on the screen right now are Dee and Rosie. Woo!
We are media and drama students at Earls Academy.
Yay! And we make short films and sketches.
And you can follow us on Twitter at Media Drama Crew.
Woo!
Yay, Twitter. And it's
Yay!
around, our Twitter name's around this kind of area. And here is a short clip of mine and Ashley's drama sketch.
Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
Emily, are you okay? I'll take that as a no then. Okay. What do you think you're doing?
What do you think I'm doing? What do you think you're doing?
Seeing if you're okay.
You think I'd be okay after everything that you've done? You jumped into bed with my boyfriend for
What
God's
kind of
sake.
person do you think I am, Emily?
What?
I'm done with you!
Woo!
So, no! Change your angle! So yeah. That was from our drama piece on Everybody Has a Story That Has to Be Told. So yeah, I would put a plug in for tickets, but you can't come and see it, so bad luck.
Sad face.
Sad face.
So yeah, we're off now.
Bye!
Woo!